Today we are going to learn how to multiply with exponents. So let's say we have x squared times x to the power of 3. Well, x squared means x times itself 2 times, and then times x times itself 3 more times. So altogether, we have x times itself 5 times. All right, let's try another. Let's say we have x to the power of 4 times x again. Well, x to the power of 4 means we have x times itself 4 times. Oh no, this x doesn't have an exponent. If you don't see an exponent, it is the same as having a 1. So we have one more x. So that one is also x times itself 5 times, or x to the power of 5. Let's try one with a coefficient in the front. Let's say we have 7x squared times 3x to the third power. So 7x squared means 7 times x, then times 3 times x times x again. All right, we're going to multiply the numbers first. So 7 times 3 is 21. And then x to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They don't all have an answer with the power of 5. That's just a coincidence here. Just make sure that when you write it, you do have the number. That's called a coefficient first before the variables. All right, we're going to try a different style of one. All right, so let's say we have x squared in parentheses to the power of 3. This means we have this whole entire group of stuff 3 times. So we have x squared times x squared times x squared. So that means we have x times x times x times x times x times x. So altogether, we have 6 x's. So x to the power of 6. All right, let's say we have a negative out in front. And then let's do 2x. We'll just keep like that to the power of 5. Since that negative is not inside the parentheses, we are not going to multiply it over and over and over. That negative means the opposite of all of this. Okay, so our final answer is going to be negative. Then let's just work with this part here. So we have 2x times itself 5 times. So we have 2 times x times 2 times x times 2 times x times 2 times x times 2 times x. All right, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. So x to the power of 5.